my God, they are cassette tapes.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet, isn't it?
Yeah.
And the slides around it. Oh, nice.
Floppy disks. I couldn't tell what those were from a distance.
It's pretty sweet.
And here we have Kevin Hansen. Hello. Can you want to say a few words about this work?
Actually, it's actually a very interesting show, especially the objects that they use to create the artwork. This is my favorite right here.
Yeah.
With the slides, everything.
It's so big.
Yeah.
And so rich. It almost has the quality of a quilt.
Yes, it does. And I like the radioactive sign pieces that he did. Those are good.
I'm doing the video early. His opening isn't until not for another week or so. But I'll be back again to do the
tornado piece is real hip too.
I love that tornado piece, man.
Wood, the whole nine.
You know I'm partial to tornadoes.
You're right, I'm sure.
I love tornadoes. Yeah.
Very good show.
But get close to that.
Even the slides, he got some of the city of Detroit on the slides. That's like a Greektown area.
Oh my. Past, future, future, past. Through technology. Thank you so much. And now I go over here. Now this has a quality that, to me, is very reminiscent of Eva Hess. Let's get up close. What's up on the wall? I hope I don't fall down the steps. Let's get up close. Here's another one. Now we're going to go up on the balcony. Some smaller, more intimate works. Now that one is, I said, I'm partial to tornadoes. Overview. Oh, we can get close to this one. Glad they're playing the music. I got my background. Gilda, you're so dumb. I just got it. That's the civil defense thing. Working on paper. Gary works very well in all scale, small to very large. Oh, now there's one I didn't get. It's kind of dark, but let's see if I can get it. Over the door. Here's from here's the steps I went up. Panoramic view of the upstairs. Let's see this piece. Let me get back on the angle. Let's look up close at this one. Side view of these. The piece de resistance is here. Past, future, future, past. The work of Gary Eleinko at the CASS Cafe. I'm gonna go. Bye.